Customization of groups in the contact section. Now we are in the contact section, in the group called My First Group, and we have untitled names for the stages. To edit the settings, we need to click on the pencil icon. First of all, we change the name of the group, for example to customers. It is suitable for most companies. Next, you need to come up with the names of the stages. Each stage is a step towards the completion of the transaction. According to the classical sales funnel, there are 7 of them. However, there may be less, for example 3 or 4. For the unused stages, you can put an asterisk and remove the description of the stage. Let's take the simplest business process. A client comes to you and wants to make an order. Clothes, video equipment, repair work, it doesn't matter. In this case, all you need is to understand the current status of your work with the client. What is it? A new application or it's in work in progress? Have you completed the work with the client? And also other important questions, such as the decision of the client, how to retain the client, and etc. As an example, let's change the name of the first stage, and instead of the new, we will write a new application. Here we see the description of the stage. It can be either deleted or you can write here an entire instruction for your employees, for them to understand what exactly they need to do at this stage. In new application, it is necessary to hire and appoint a person in charge. In establishing contact, make a good first impression and understand the mood of interlocutor for further comfortable work, and so on. You can supplement this instruction with a document template that you attach at a certain stage. For example, you can attach a contract template to the identifying needs stage. An employee doesn't need to look for it in the documents every time. He or she can download it from the stage, fill it out, and then attach it to the client card. Here you can also find the field called Responsible for the stage. This setting allows you to appoint responsible employees for one or several specific stages. To show you the possibilities of this setting, we will go to the law firm workspace. The employees have already been added. We will illustrate it by example. Let's imagine a situation where a team of sales managers has a clear division of responsibilities. One group of employees is engaged in lead generation. The other fulfills a bargain with potential customers. Following this work structure, we assigned the lead generator, Nick, to be responsible for the first 3 stages. His tasks are to establish contact, identify needs, and give a client presentation. The sales manager, Olivia, will accomplish it. Her task is to fulfill a bargain with the client. In order for Nick not to appear responsible for contact at those stages where he doesn't work with the client, we need to automatically remove his responsibility rights. Now, we open the second tab of the browser in the incognito mode under the account of Nick. When Nick transfers the client card to the stage where Olivia is responsible, she receives a notification about this action. The responsible employees automatically change in the card. Such a system works for all the groups in the Contacts and Projects section. Let's go back to My Company workspace and see what else we can do in the group settings. As you can see, we can customize the template settings for customer cards. Press the button Set Template. The program allows us to change the display order of the fields as well as transfer the necessary fields from the main information to additional and vice versa. Once the choice is made, we click the Save button. Smarty CRM gives an opportunity to create custom field settings with the names you need. It is available with a premium account, and I will provide more details in another video. If you want to copy a customized template from another group, use the Apply Template of Another Group button and select the one you need. When we move to the Contact section, we see that the group and its stages are already set up. Smarty CRM gives you a possibility to create an unlimited number of groups. To do this, click on the plus sign and add groups of all counterparties that you need. If the names and descriptions of the stages of the groups are the same, you can insert them from any other group. To do this, go to the Settings section by clicking on the pencil icon. Then, click Paste settings of some other group, choose where to transfer the settings from and copy them. If necessary, the order of displaying groups can be changed by pinching the group name with the left mouse button and moving it higher or lower. Do not forget that when you add a new group in the Contacts, Projects or Notes section, you need to configure the access rights settings. Otherwise, your employees won't see the new group.